Hi, that's me again, and a lot of people ask me what to buy, which kitchen for kids to buy, what accessories to buy, so because they know that we buy a lot. So this one we didn't buy, we got it from my mother-in-law. And when you talk about buying a kitchen for kids, you have lots of versions for kitchens, but people forget the fact that kids really use the accessories of the kitchen. The kitchen could be a box or an old toaster oven, something like this, but the accessories makes the difference. So this is, I think it exists like for 3 or 4 years now, and look at it. They play it every day, and that's just beautiful. See, they touch it, and it has a light inside. The plate moves, turns. You put the thing inside, like let's try to put this one. Hear it? Now we're gonna put this one inside. Let's see if it works. See? It really moves. So the kids thinks, see the clock? A beautiful toy, not expensive, works for years without breaking down or something like this. And if you talk about things to buy, accessories to buy to a kitchen, to a kid's kitchen, that's one of the most appreciated gifts you can give to a kid, a boy or a girl, no mind. So this is it. Have fun. Let's see if what model is it. It is I think that's a generic stuff. So have fun. Bye bye.